Most people ruin their meat seconds after cooking it, and they think it's normal. The problem isn't the recipe. It's what happens right after the heat stops. Cutting meat immediately feels logical, but it's the worst moment to do it. While meat cooks, juices move toward the center. They're still unstable. Cut too early, and those juices escape instantly, straight onto the plate. That liquid isn't sauce, it's lost flavor. The meat becomes dry and uneven, even if it was cooked perfectly. People cut early because they're impatient. Resting meat fixes this problem. It's not optional. Resting lets juices redistribute evenly. The meat stabilizes. Small cuts need a few minutes. Large cuts need more time. Resting doesn't make meat cold. It makes it better. Restaurants always rest meat. That's why their meat stays juicy. Same meat, same cooking, completely different result. Good cooking isn't just heat. It's timing. If your meat is dry, this is probably why. And now you know. Do you usually cut meat right away? Be honest.